Hey there, it's Rebecca of Brain House Quilts. So, you've stumbled across my very most favorite quilt technique, freezer paper piecing. I love freezer paper piecing so much that I put together a workshop to help quilters master this amazing technique step by step. After going through this program, you'll never waste your precious time ripping paper from foundation pieces again. Let me show you what I mean. So on my workstation, I've got two foundation pieced triangles. And I use the freezer paper piecing technique. And of course, the last step when you foundation piece is to remove the paper. Now, since I've used the freezer paper piecing technique, this process is really simple. All I need to do is peel the freezer paper from the technique and I am finished. How cool is that? See, that's all I needed to do to remove the freezer paper from this triangle. And I can use this foundation over and over again. These are all foundation piece triangles, and I saved so much time just peeling the freezer paper from this. I didn't waste any time ripping the paper, I just peeled the freezer paper. If you're serious about learning this amazing technique, then I encourage you to join me today in the Freezer Paper Piecing Masterclass. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.